afraid anymore. Make your hands like that. Make your hands like that. Make your hands like that. I'm doing this so you will not be afraid. Just put your hands like that. Dali na kasi. Dali na. Put your hands like this. Oh, it's okay. Mommy will not harm you. It's okay. Dali na. I want you to touch it so you will not be afraid. Go. Go. Oh? It's like your dinosaur. Oh, it's like your dinosaur. Oh, go. Dali na. Okay. Make like that your hand. I will put in your hand. Make like that. Dali na. Dali na kasi put in your hand lang. It's okay. It will not bite. Oh, it will not bite. Dali na. It's okay. Don't be afraid. Melbourne is not afraid. Don't be afraid. It's okay. Give to kuya. Give to kuya. No. Ay, give me. Sige mo. Dali na kuya. Dali na so you will not be afraid anymore. Just touch it.